This video shortly describes how to use Cappelen Damm, the online website version. Now first you will need to put it in somewhere in your browser or in your search engine. Then you click on a top result and then you pick your line. So Citizens Basic might be a good one. If you study, for example, health, then that would be a one. If you practice for studies, that would be the one you are clicking on. Now you log in with your account, and then once you are in, you get a couple of options up here. Now, mind you that this one looks slightly different since I'm a teacher, but most of the things would be pretty alike. Now, here it's divided into chapters. So say, for example, if we go on connections, chapter 1, and you click on matched, click on the name itself. And the first thing that pops up in this main page here on the right side, if you scroll down, you get a shortcut, so that's an easier version of the text. Plus, one thing that might be really useful is this sound file on the right side. Now, if I start playing this, then the text will be read out loud for you by a person, so it's not a robotic voice. Now, try and do this yourself once you get acquainted, once you get to know the book. Now, third on the left side, there are things connected to this text, and these we will work actively with while working with the book and the texts, etc. Now, you click on the first one, and then comes up some questions just to check whether you've understood. And then if you look up here, there's a second thing. So we click this one, and you put this in the right place. Now, once this is done, you can go on to the next. Practice vocabulary. And again, mind the amount of things up here. So there's not just one. So if you've done only this one, you're not totally done yet. So try and do the rest in addition. These ones really help you to increase your vocabulary and know more and different words. Now we can keep on going like this, so we get practice pronunciation. Might be useful as well, so you can hear the way the things are pronounced, so you can recognize them yourself and even try. That would be smart. In addition to this, we've got explore, which are slightly smaller or slightly bigger tasks. And these we will work with as a group in class. And again, up here, you have got several tasks. So first thing you get into doesn't mean that's the only thing. So always check here on top if there are other things to do in addition. So for example, a formal greeting where you meet a person who might become your boss, for example, you would not say, "Yo man, what's up?" So tasks like these. Watch and write. Useful tasks as well, etc. So these ones keep on going. So try and do these the way that you find useful. Now it might be as well that I as a teacher will send you some tasks. I'm not sure what that looks like on your computer. We will probably get a message up here somewhere that says you've been assigned a task. So make sure that you do that task, and then me as a teacher can see what has been done and who's done it, how far they've gone, the amount of time that they've used, etc. But it's not too important for you to know. But along the way, we will find out about this and get better acquainted with Cappelen Damm citizens online. For you, it would be good now to just get to know this, just skip it a bit through, jump from chapter, take a look at, for example, interdisciplinary work, which we will work with as well at some time. So that's a combination between different subjects. You've got games, some English related games, digging, task where we will be working more with etc. So just get to know this website. Good luck.